Good morning, children. How are you all? Today we will continue our lesson to role of computers. Listen the class carefully. In publishing, computers are useful in printing newspapers, magazine, books, and pamphlets. Computers has helped in designing and printing of this book. Computers useful in printing newspapers, magazine, books, etc. Computers has helped in designing and printing out of these books. In scientific research and defense, computers are very helpful to scientists in doing research, designing robots, and forecasting weather. Okay, computers are very useful to scientists in doing research, designing robots, and forecasting weather. Computers are very useful in launching and controlling satellites, rockets, and missiles. In learning new skills, see the pictures. The computers assists in learning how to drive a car or how to fly an aeroplane with the help of this computer. The computer assists in learning new skills such as various language, typing, cooking, gardening, etc. Now all the things we will get from this computer, internet. All the things. For example, various language, typing, different types of cooking, and creativity works, art and craft, paintings, many things. Do you know you gain knowledge about this, such as driving without even using actual vehicles? These are known as simulators which work with the help of computers. Useful tips. Keep on saving your file on a computer by pressing shortcut keys. Control S after every 2-3 minutes as activating autosave features in MS Office. It automatically save your files. Just shortcut keys are there in our computer keyboard. We can use that after typing our file. You can save with the shortcut key of controllers after every 2-3 minutes. Activating auto save feature in MS Word. We can auto save the help of keyboard. Quick recap. Our teacher uses the computer to prepare report cards. Shopkeepers use computer to prepare bills. Records of all our credits and debits are maintained by the computer in bank. Computers are used by the doctors to diagnose many diseases. We get our railways and airline seats reserved in advance much more conveniently only because of computers. Books, pamphlets, newspapers, etc. are published with the help of computers. Recap parts we already learned. Now, new words to remember. ATM. ATM, we know usually we are using this word ATM, automated teller machine, an advanced machine that enable us to withdraw money through it. Animation. The process of making videos and computer games in which drawing or models seem to move. Computer animations, making cartoons and all. Device, It is an equipment that has been designed to be a particular job. This is, you can learn it. This in homework today. Important notes. Up to these parts, you can revise nicely, read the lesson very carefully, and today's class over. Tomorrow we will complete our lesson, exercise and question answers. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.